Alert forecast.
All right, here it is. There comes the rain again. There's our view outside our studios here on East Market Street. Day began with some sunshine, and of course the better chance of rain was certainly this evening, and it'll play out here for tonight. Let's take a broad look at the satellite and radar combination. You can see this wide area of showers with some embedded thunder moving in from the south and east. It's pivoting around an area of low pressure to our south, and a front that came through yesterday that stalled off to our south and east is now advancing northbound as a warm front. So hence all this creating more in the way of some showers and some storms that are working in our direction. Now, generally right now, this is some beneficial light to moderate rainfall as you get south of Richmond down toward Petersburg and out toward Norfolk and areas just west of Interstate 85. There's still some active flash flood warnings, but we'll zoom in on some of the closer activity here. Here we are along Route 15, points east through Fluvanna County, Fork Union, seeing some steadier rain. Areas east of Louisa seeing some rain as well. Here's some downpours out toward Route 20, just to the west of Overton. Here we are in downtown Charlottesville, seeing the downpours out toward Rio, up toward Stony Point. We go up into Ruckersville along 29 and 33, some light to moderate showers. And I think this will continue to fill in as we go through the next several hours. So yes, a wet evening. 76 right now at the airport. We made it up to 83 for the afternoon high, 78 in Madison, same in Palmyra, and 79 currently in Stanton. So temperatures tonight, mid 60s to around 70. There'll be additional showers and some storms mainly through midnight, and then things will kind of taper off with areas of fog to develop. We could begin tomorrow morning with a lot of clouds, some leftover showers, then some sunshine, and then the redevelopment of a few showers and storms during the afternoon. But again, coverage is going to vary the next several days. Temperatures for most of us in the mid 80s, but our temperature trend will be going up here for the late week. Now, as I mentioned, each day it'll be different, but that threat for showers and storms will be there. As we get into Thursday and Friday, many of us will flirt either side of 90 degrees. So yeah, we do have another building heat wave coming in our direction here for the late week and beyond. But the rain chances may vary the next several days, but it's still there, taking us right in and through the weekend, and we'll continue to monitor that as well. Many of us since the weekend plus yesterday have seen 2 to 4+ inches of rain, which is all beneficial, and more on top of that. So a broad area of low pressure here across the Carolinas will pivot off to the north and east here tonight. It's kicking this front back to the north and west and bringing in that fetch of moisture that we're dealing with. So here we are currently, and basically tonight. I think this will be a little bit more widespread than what this particular model is showing for this evening. And then we get into tomorrow morning, could be a leftover shower, lots of clouds, mid 60s to around 70. During the afternoon, we heat back up into the mid 80s. Some hit and miss showers and storms, but certainly not everyone sees that activity. And then on Thursday, kind of a rinse and repeat forecast. The morning hours should be dry, but there will be some showers and storms developing during the afternoon. So showers, some embedded storms here tonight, areas of fog, mid 60s to around 70. There's a look at the Michael and Sons 7-day forecast with temperatures on the rise here for the late week, but it's still an unsettled pattern. The rain is needed. We just don't want it over the same areas repeatedly, which could cause issues with some flash flooding or some flooding issues, and that could be ongoing here over the next several days with more rain in the forecast.
All right, Eric, thank you.
And don't forget